Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Tuesday 6 p.m. video. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I've got a banger for you today. I've got some stocks that are in a buy range that are definitely going up that you can keep your eyes on. And I want you to understand what's going on in the market as I talk about these stocks. We've got red in the price column and in the RT column, not quite in the buy to sell ratio, but man, we keep on going down today. We might get 3 red lights on the close today. Primary wave is down. That's the only market timing call that's down right now. I need to see more confirmation of the market actually moving down at this particular point in time, because one day does not make a trend. We've been in a primary wave up all this time, one day primary wave down. So keeping that in mind, I need you to keep your eyes on the overall market. Or are these stocks that are going against the trend of the market that you definitely need to keep your eyes on? And I vote for the latter. These are stocks that are probably having the opportunity to go against the market's trend. Do I tell you to back up the truck and buy these stocks? The answer to that is no. But these are some stocks that you can keep in your watch list to keep your eyes on if they continue to move higher. Let's move straight into my stocks. Here they are. And I'm going to scroll over. I'm going to show you the industries that are rising. Petroleum, mining, special theme, those are marijuana stocks, petroleum, and commodity futures in sector natural resources. So a little bit diversified in the stocks that are going against the trend of the market. Notice that all of them are up today on a big down day in the market. That's a positive sign when looking at stocks that are still in the possibility of going up and continuing to go up, even though the market's moving down. All of these stocks have relative values above 1. These are undervalued stocks. I've got 2 ETFs in here as well. So that's a good thing. 1, 2, 3 have relative values above 1. And if you look at them, undervalued, pretty much fairly valued, undervalued, and again, ETFs fairly value or right at value. So the stocks that we're looking at, not the ETFs, are undervalued and they have good upside potential as opposed to a AAA corporate bond. All of them have RTs above 1. The lowest RT is at 1.17, but they are all in an uptrend, which is another positive sign when looking at these stocks. All of these have VSTs above 1, and a few of them have CIs above 1. They're all buy recommendations, and the stocks all have double-digit earnings growth. Folks, I'm presenting a case of good quality stocks. Well, relative safeties are below 1 on some of them, but they've got undervalued. They are good upside potential in an uptrend. VSTs above 1, buy recommendations, double-digit earnings growth. Man, I can just go on and on and on about just how powerful these stocks are and why you need to keep them on your radar. I'm going to do one last thing. No news today. We're just going to look at the power of the software. We're going to put this on a 3-month graph. Now, for those of you who are subscribers to the VectorVest software, you have access to a graph that I've been talking about lately a lot called the Star Search graph layout right here. And what it does is it uses 2 Bollinger Bands to create 3 lanes, just like you would have on a highway. We've got the fast lane, we've got the middle lane, and we've got the slow lane. Notice that every stock that I'm going to look at have price action in the fast lane. FTI hitting a new 3-month high in the fast lane. Now, how would I manage these stocks? If I get into these stocks and they are in the fast lane, if I get down to the middle lane, right here in the middle, I'm going to take half off the table. If it gets down to the slow lane, I'm going to take all off the table. Now, right here, we did close to a little bit into the middle lane. I would have taken half off. The next day, we went back up above into the fast lane. I would have put the other half back on and keep on riding this trend higher. Also on this graph, we have 2 DPOs or detrended price oscillators. We have a fast one. For those of you who are a little bit more aggressive, you can use this DPO going below the value of 0. Let me move this over. Use this DPO going below the value of 0 as an entry, actually as an exit to get out of the stock. This is for you guys who are more of the swing traders. The slower DPO keeps you in. Let's go to the next stock. Next one is Harmony Gold. Gold is on the rise. Back and forth between the fast lane and the middle lane, currently in the fast lane again. Watch the wick at the top of this candle. A little bit of a gravestone doji, but still in the fast lane, and both DPOs are positive. Next one. Man, there's a lot of talk about marijuana stocks right now, about declassifying it. Look at this, fast lane, and even on the down days, as long as you're in the fast lane, you're fine. Pull back for a couple of days. I love this layout to help you to manage these stocks that are going against the trend of the market, because these are high-flying industries. All right, let's go to the next one, which is, goodness gracious, NGS. In the fast lane, closed below. I would have taken half off right here. Boom. I would have taken a good profit. All right, wait. Gets back in, I take that other half that I got out of, put it back in. I'm now in a full position, and look at this baby go. Look at this go. It's like go gadget stock. Go, gadget, go. Right at the top of the fast lane, new 3-month high. This is the kind of stocks I'm trying to find for you. USO, oil is on the rise once again. In the fast lane. Notice it never closed into the middle lane. You're still in it. These are good high-flying stocks, even as the market is moving lower. And uranium, interesting that uranium is on the run right now, very volatile in its move. Here we go, closed into the fast lane, still in the fast lane. This could possibly be a hanging man formation, but as long as it stays in the fast lane, you're fine on this. And I do like the pinch in the Bollinger Bands, and as it broke out of the pinch, it broke out to the upside. Folks, these are stocks that you can either put on your watch list. These are stocks that you can take advantage of. But again, don't back the boat up and put all your money into these stocks. The market looks like it has a tendency to want to pull back. But these are stocks in industries that are still rising as the market is starting to fall. This is more of an aggressive play. Keep that in mind. But these aggressive plays could put a lot of money into your portfolio. That's it. I'm giving you some fish to take a look at in the current market's conditions. Even though the market's moving down, these are stocks that are going against the trend because their industries are on the rise. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. And if you like the content that we gave today, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know what stocks you're looking at in the current market's conditions that can continue to put money in your pocket. Until the next time, folks. See ya. Hey, VV Nation, do you have access to the VectorVest tool, the most powerful tool in the industry right now? No? Well, I'm going to give you an opportunity to take advantage of an outstanding deal. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. You can take advantage of VectorVest 30 days for $9.95. That's an outrageous price for a trial. So what do you get? Well, you get the opportunity to see how we have outperformed the S&P 500 by over 2,000% for the last 20 years. We'll go down and we can see that we track over 18,000 stocks globally and have access to analyzing those. And we've got 25 years of accurate market predictions. Yes, folks, we time the market. Simply, folks, all you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. $9.95 for 30 days, and we offer a hassle-free refund. Folks, take advantage of it right now.